many miracles, like the dumb to speak, the deaf to hear. He rose dead to live. His miracles spread all over the world, and all believed in him. He went around, preached, and did miracles for 3.5 years. His miracles spread all over the world, and all believed in him. He went around, preached, and did miracles for 3.5 years. Then came the day of unleavened bread, when the Passover must be killed. Jesus and his 12 disciples gathered in a furnished upper room, and when the hour had come, he sat down and the 12 apostles with him. Then Jesus said to them with fervent desire, I have desired to eat this Passover with you before I suffer. And he took bread, gave thanks, and broke it, and gave it to them. Saying, This is my body, which is given for you. Do this in remembrance of me. Likewise, he also took the cup after supper, saying, This cup is the new covenant in my blood, which is shed for you. But behold, the hand of my betrayer is with me on the table. And truly the Son of Man goes as it has been determined. But woe to that man by whom he is betrayed. Pray that you may not enter into temptation. And he was withdrawn from them about a stone throw, and he knelt down and prayed, saying, Father, if it is your will, remove this cup from me. Nevertheless, not my will, but yours be done. When he rose up from prayer and had come to his disciples, he found them sleeping from sorrow, rise, and prayer. And while he was still speaking, behold, a multitude and he who was called as Judas, one of the 12, went before them and drew near to Jesus to kiss him. But Jesus said to him, Judas, are you betraying the Son of Man with a kiss? Judas betrayed Jesus for 30 pieces of silver. Jesus was arrested and was handed over to Pilate the governor. He gave sentence that it should be as people requested. And a great multitude of people followed him. They put a crown of thorns on his head and carried the cross on his shoulders. He was taken to the place called Calvary. They crucified him. The Son of Man must be delivered into the hands of sinful men and be crucified. He was taken to the place called Calvary. There they crucified him. The Son of Man must be delivered into the hands of sinful men and be crucified, and the third day rise again. And they remembered his word. On the third day, Jesus rose from dead. Thomas spread Christianity in India. He said, people of the world, don't be disappointed. Today you are standing here and looking at the sky. Watch, watch, Jesus has come. This is his second coming. Also look at the blessed. Also look at the blessed Virgin Mary.
Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ. By fields and floods, rocks, hills and plains, repeat the sounding joy, repeat the sounding joy. Repeat, repeat the sounding joy. He rules the world with truth and grace, and makes the nations prove the glories of His righteousness, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love, and wonders of His love. Go, tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go, tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born. Go, tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go, tell it on the mountain that Jesus Christ is born.
The drums are being played by Philip of SKG.
Most respected founder and the Dean of KRM Group of Schools, Sri Janardhan sir in absence here. The dynamic principal of this great institution, my good friend, Mr. D.P. Shivashakti Balan, dear parents, teachers and my dear children, I feel very happy to be here this evening to participate in the Christmas program of your school and bring the greetings of this Christmas season. Before I could proceed, the students, those who have completed the program, they are able to be seated. They can be seated in the first two rows if the principal allows you, because I am very happy to speak to the children. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the management, the principal and the teachers for the great achievement of this institution in 3 years. I thank God for the founder and dean of this great institution, Sri Janardhan sir, because God has given him a great vision to establish great institutions as a KRM Group of Schools. I know the founder of the school for more than 3 decades. I know your dynamic principal for more than 20 years. I heard a lot about this institution, the KRM Group of Schools. I think God has got a specific purpose in choosing the dynamic leader, the founder of the school, to lead these great institutions. I always believe God has a purpose in everything, and God doesn't give the gift to everybody. I think He is a God-chosen person to establish this great institution, and I'm very happy to note that the school has got a dynamic principal like Mr. Shivashakti Balan, because I know him, and I think we will all give a big hands because the school needs a good leader. The founder has got a vision. The founder's vision should be carried out only by a team leader like a principal like him and the team of teachers. So once again I thank God for the great vision God has given to the founder and the wonderful team of this institution. My special word of appreciation to the children for their wonderful performance they have staged. Let us all give a big hand to the students who have given a wonderful program. And when the school profile was given to me, just I went through that, I noticed as a teacher for the past 37 years, as a principal for 31 years. I thank God that God has given a great privilege to work in one institution for 37 years and then 31 years as a principal. I think it's great privilege, isn't it? God has given me. And I find this school has got a unique feature. I understand KRM Group of Schools, a school with a difference. No doubt that the school is one of the leading schools in North Chennai. Because why I say, parent, you should feel happy that you admitted the children in this institution, and the children of this institution are so fortunate to study in this school. So as a teacher and as a principal, what I feel, the process of schooling is very important. I think I'll take only 10 to 15 minutes. I would like to talk to the parents and the children about schooling as a teacher.